Hi, my name is Gianna Costales, and I'm with the Costales team at Ardenwood Park in Union City, right next to my mom's newest listing. Right, Mom?
Right, Gianna. This is an extremely rare offering, as this is the first time this home's been on the market, as it's been owned by the original owner since it was built. Welcome to my newest listing, 4500 Oakdale Street in Union City. With 1,630 square feet of living space on a prime 5,451 square foot corner lot, this single-family home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, bamboo wood floors, granite counters, recessed lighting, double-paned windows, and more, conveniently located all on one single level. The formal living room features a vaulted ceiling and brick wood-burning fireplace. The kitchen features granite counters, updated cabinets, tile floors, with a breakfast bar that overlooks the open floor plan family room with sliding glass door leading to the backyard and side yards. The spacious master bedroom suite includes mirrored closet doors, private patio, and its own ensuite bathroom with double sinks and a shower with bench. There are also 2 additional bedrooms, a full bathroom, and a 2-car side-by-side garage with washer and dryer. Adding to the appeal of this home is its central Union City location near parks, Alvarado Plaza, Union Landing, schools, restaurants, grocery stores, and is minutes away from Ardenwood and Fremont, public transportation, highways, and so much more. So that concludes the tour of my newest listing. If you'd like a private showing of this home or any home on the MLS, please feel free to contact me. And if you're a seller that's looking to maximize your home value and get the highest price in the shortest amount of time, please feel free to contact me for a no obligation consultation. Thanks so much and make it a great day.